pass and move. Atino shikatino chinjari me groove, pass and move. Mama sita tingo shedera muduze, pass and move.
It's the Battle of Bulawayo, it's the city derby. It's Chicken Inn taking on Highlanders Football Club right here at Baba Fish Stadium, Emakhumaneni. It's another exciting episode of Pass and Move, a special proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Please remember to bet responsible. It's Chicken Inn versus Highlanders. Bulawayo derby namhla kuyafika. Puramon njengomele Highlanders ibona njani game namhla?
Hayi, derby yahlubi derby. Hayi derby asingeza khona umuntu awufana. Into esifunayo ukuhlola bese ngahlula sisi right. Okuningi lokuza kubona after game.
McLeod. Wazi njona uhlala uyala uthi vele yayilinda ukudla namuhla igame uyibona njani program
Thohlo abona amayelo vele eqedwe umdlalo machita ngoba Highlanders kunzima lapha abahlohli bengahlohla izikipa maybe namhla but igame ambona 3 points for Chicken Inn siyabona
nje iyalinda twice ku strike abafana awusoze ku affect yini abafana namuhla olina ukubona nje ama supporter eChicken Inn ukuthi team edlala ivela ku strike.
Thina sizwa social media maybe belungisa ama strikers, it's not a striker siwazi but mbonana sibalindele thina abe ayiChicken Inn.
Good day but ayila ukuthi strike ayila ukuthi nani. So it's all about yama breaking rights. Ukuthi mbona wina mbona wenza njani. Siyawina.
McLeod uthi so strike maybe belungisa ama strikers.
That's right. Yeah, I did but yes. Siyahlola once vala ama sports oqedile. Sahle sivukile kona ma ku Chicken Inn.
All right, score line McLeod.
Yeah, obviously 3 points hamba le score line. Ngabatshela bayabhokala but vele mbona siwina 2-0. 2-0
Barhlohla.
Anyone ku Chicken Inn yahlohla lapha na kuma zinywa simdatha phambili ba. Kuyafiwa. Ayilenda manje ngiyalitshela. Canti ihlabile kakhulu. Lihlabile ngoba mina ngiyipi.
Shaf Machita asibonane after game Taufa.
Awina 1-0 Raush.
Asibonane after game.
Shaputa. I wish you the best but na vele ngiyibest yakho yakwazi.
Ciao. See. Chuchap. My brother Chap.
Ngiyaphila baba kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Welcome to Depth TV Putam.
Siyabonga.
Namhla kuyafika Chicken Inn versus Highlanders.
Yeah, it's Chicken Inn versus Harare. It's Highlanders versus Harare actually.
Harare kanjani aphuthas?
Ngokuyitim kwe Harare.
Lezi njalo. But uyibona njani game namhla?
Yeah, it's a hard game. Luckily we can win 1-0. But predictably it's obviously draw. But 1-0 it's a lucky.
Mbona hlohla nxa ukhangele njengoba bafana thwabe ku strike kuzaba motivate yini namhla egame namhla?
Yeah, no. Also kuba motivate. Obviously get demotivate. But my prediction is on Never Rouge. Yes.
Ngiwa insithi kuyaba motivate ngoba ngani kulungisiwe bathole okuncane.
150 is nothing, my brother. Because when I can spend 150 now, that would be it. Because they should give equal opportunities for our salaries and our players, so that it will be fair at the end of the day.
All right, my brother. Maras born after Porutafa.
Yabanga. Finally, as again.
What's subscribe? YouTube. Nice one. Boy, put us on pressure. Ugamba le boys beyada boys akoda smoke beya ngapha mfana izwana beya lapha ngutheni aza abantu bakhohle into eyi1 i-channel YouTube aso Facebook YouTube everyone is there mafana ushap
ngiyaphila
uhamba lo mdala la athawe zobukelisa ibhora namhla mdala
yebo banjani abantu lapho
hayi nasiziphilile mdala
siyazi sithi sizobukela i-team lapha and we hope ukuthi maybe this time around sizathola i-win. Yes, but about the challenges that we are facing, kunengo kumele kwenziwe lapha eteamini. Especially when we look at admin, I think it's high time iposo ibe ingani ba independent when it comes to ama salaries ama players. Yabo, because fire and fine sponsorship sikhona, but there has to be a way ukuthi khona kunga affect ama players ngoba kuza affect even I performance yabo.
But otherwise ikhemia namhla ibona njani?
Hey, it's a game day tricky there because local derby yahlupha and especially chicken in Valley is always especially futhi kathesi siba njengondiraya ibhozo vele always uhlale ithwala ubholo. Yeah, but mina from my coaching experience engiyaziyo lapha I'm predictor most probably maybe a 2-1 win for Islanders.
Mafana uvumelana nomdala?
Yeah, ngiyavuma sibe ngoba ile game tight sibe lama ngithembile. I think.
Ubona nimbano ozadlulela Islander namhla?
Ayikuthi angikwazi kakhulu but ngibona ni Nigerian player lelana esendikhohle ibizo lakhe.
Benjamin Odegaard.
Exactly.
Ayi alright. Asiboneni after Bora offer.
Thanks kakhulu siyabonga kakhulu. Thanks very much.
Sharp mdala. Sisi bezistos. Rasta uyisi?
ngishap umthela bamfana
Islanders 3 chicken in 1 ubone njani game?
okunye 0 hayi game uzwi
1.
isi game papa isengihamba ngithabile papa
Sharp Rasta. My brother.
M42
Namhla at last.
At last, even anyone can see I'm more much happy. The boys played very well and the coach showed his tactics. Second half, he's showing us something. Maybe we'll jump more than this. But for today, I'm saying, Mororo, keep it up. Boys, keep it up. Executive, nigana bantwana imali yabo. Nigana bantwana imali yabo for better performance. Ngali local biseli izimali emuva, you are taking the club back. So into yakudala ukuthiwa umuntu lokho ekweleda imali eyisebenza aso construction company lesi i-Islanders Football Club sakucina kuma contract ukuthiwa umuntu uyakweleda imali yakhe enganika so contract le abanika abantwana imali zabo lapha.
Next one my brother. Buyamthera. Mthala.
Sayibona noma njani?
Unjani mntu omdala uchenile usmart?
No namhlanje ngijabulile njalo ngismart.
Islanders 3 chicken in 1 ubone njani game?
Igame le kwanamhlanje ngicabanga ukuthi ikhulule ingqondo lenhliziyo zabantu beBhoso. Njalo ikhulule ucoach wethu lo sponsor wethu. Ngoba bese kungasazi ukuthi kuhambe njani kodwa ke siyajabula namhlanje. Ngoba ucoach wethu ngicabanga ukuthi lapha khona la ujabulile njengathi abalandeli beBhoso. Ngoba okwenza ke namhlanje kuhle. Yikho ebesikukhangelele amalanga adluleyo saphinda sakukhangelela namhlanje ngosokwenzakala. Siyabonga.
Hayi siyabonga mntu omdala.
Sibonga kakhulu.
Yebo. Yebo. My brother,
uSamuweza weBhoso.
Edlazi samabozi namhlanje very happy.
Mdala angilamazwi. Uyabona iBhoso ichila moya. Angihappy. Thumbs up for abafana. Abachovile.
Nice one samaboza. My brother,
kubuyiwe skito weBhoso. Zwani iBhoso wani ichila moya. Babe mbuluza bethiwa bayenza ibhayisikili ifundela kangibatshelile ngathi mina yazi mbhayise ngaphutas ngithe 2-1 3-1 akwazi uzwile Highlander ngenkani ongafuni ukakele chila moya.
Nice one my brother. My brother. My brother.
Sure my brother. Namhla siyabonga iqembu.
Mana.
Sisadliwa first half bese sifuna ukukhala abadala abangolandlord ba drive ama 4x4 ama off road abafana ba rent sicaba bayenzele ngcono. Siyabonga second half from the coach different game changing game dalile siyabonga lo memngameli.
My brother
Sharp bafu
Islander 3
hayi umdlalo
chicken in 1
umdlalo ubumnandi bafu first half abezidlala udaka but second half we put our stockings and we played a better game but the problem into leziphuma ku social media uthi abafana babhadalwa coach kabhadalwa imali khona usivalo kanti walandani la antu abuya le bench uthi ezombhadala sivalo nxa usikhanyele umuntu wakho wabuya la mbhadala siwine njenga sikwenze namuhla siyabonga
bafo ya mina ngiyakhuluma I think last week lapha ngakhuluma indaba ye-patience ukuthi asinikeni ubench isikhathi wayipheka i-team konke kuyalunga sibonile first half i-team athi ngane hayi bekukuningi okwenzakalayo abafana baholi njalo sizizwa ku social media but second half kudlalwa ibhora ucoach ulungisile ku midfield kubuya ka Darlington lapha lo Prince kuyingangala team yavuka yaklicka I think hayi game leyi abafana mele bayithathele phezulu going ahead Cape United next match siyabangena futhi hayi badlala ibhora abafana siyabonga.
That's why my brother.
Isalukwazi isigidile ugogo ugidile bafowethu Bhoso 3 inkukhusi 1 asazi team elandelayo wokoyi
Hello Ashi.
My brother.
Sure, hamba kanjani?
Keep on show.
No. Into sishoyo ukuthi siyabonga 3 points. As a Highlanders we still unbeaten ku league. What we're saying is pay the boys. Let them play. Because ama rumors aswazwa we don't know how true they are. Into sishoyo ukuthi uBenji apparently ukhipha imali yakhe to pay abafana ukuthi badlale namhlanje. Abakhempanga izolo. Angazi ukuthi iqiniso lami lingakanani kodwa into engiyazi ukuthi izolo abakhempanga. Kodwa uBenji wakhipha imali yakhe ukuthi abhadala abafana labo ukuthi bazodlala. Ababhadala abafana abazowina. Kuphela.
Nice one Joe. Kudas.
Echa ile shabra.
Awufa Kudas.
Uhambani muntu yamama.
Mnandi ubone njani game Highlanders 3 chicken in 1?
Yes, hayi Highlanders anti idlale kahle kakhulu. Kodwa mntaka mama mfuna ukukhuluma player A1 emfuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Umongameli anti uyadlala ibhola kakhulu anti. But engayenzi lokhana izitayila eziningi anti. Ama-flowers ebemalutshwane because ngadlala lama teams ayebeqhakatheke kakhulu njalo Scotland abo Dynamos. Umfana lwane ngaqhamuka engayeka indawo. So ngifuna ukukhuluma ngobani ngumngameli kuphela ukuthi hayi ezibone kuphela ukuthi hayi kumele ebone ukuthi hayi emise mbijana ama-flowers.
Thanks Kudas.
Hayi ibhoso kadesi. Boso kadesi sisidla abantu ezilonga idla chicken in idebhu soku right ibhoso sokumele ama team alandelayo wonke silama win wonke soku right siyabonga.
Alright mina into engaqasa ngayo ukuthi lisabonise lonke ngikho lapha ngithi sharp ma fans siwine kubi lapha sibachayile ngikho lapha ngithi hayi gcwalani ibhoso ngiyabonga abathandi.
Okay yeah mina ngugwenya la usitshela Mwaruwari must go and Chivayo must go. We don't want Boso is a team of everyone. I team yezwe lonke eHighlander. Labana bethu abahambe basidisturbile thina besupporta ngenhliziyo zethu zonke. Kathesi inhliziyo zethu zibuhlungu kodwa namhla sijabulile. So uMaruwari lo Chivayo abahlangane benatha amatiye noma banathi coffee noma banathi.
Mana ngizolo uvumelana laye?
Angivumelani laye. Do you know ukuthi nani? Ama team wonke lawo thina ebestraw la futhi sang ama team lawo estraw la for this season last time ama team lawo besidla hanjo so uMaruwari kwena kumele abe le first 11 yakhe hanjo njengamanje so yi first 11 esikhangeleyo yabo thina uMaruwari asimsoli hanjo awusimsoli yena kumele abe kumele aphike odoli bakhe aba right yabo njeka resi so yabo anabona ukuthi sibesilidwa thina but sabuya ngesecond half sinjani sesilida yinto omele yenza uMaruwari yabo uMaruwari right
nice one my brother mana uthini
okay potas
nice one my brother
Afakwa sharp mabosolona li right namhlanje yeah umuntu oyenze into zenzeka kahle inyanga enkulu yimi ngithe ngilisouth lapho ngabuya lalo abanengi ababonanga ithi ibhola litheni ngaqalisa bengihaze iSouth eground akula muntu odlula iSouth benjani siyabonga ubuye le strategy esi right ungafaki uPavara ufake lo number 8 be same game hayi u8 kahlala ebenchini play first 11 yakho wena leyi nxa ulalela ngathesi yiminyanga enkulu emphele South elikhulu yimi umthembo esithemba uDuba kaDuba odula amathatha nedomba thena ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Nice one my brother. Ngiyabonga baba. Ngana sharp budas.
Lo ngubhebhu Zinda. Ngimdala ngesupport yebhoso. Hayi uMaruwari siyabonga. Asibonge lokho. Abantu sihlala sikhuluma kodwa kula nkulumo ngoMaruwari la ngeteam and asibonge yena sivumene ukuthi kuyatholakala. Kathesi siye happy sibe nesiyo ukuthi siye phambili.
Right sesikhona kolapho ke namhlanje sikhona ke laba abafowethu lapha ebhoso namhlanje first win siyabonga kakhulu ke laphana ngendlela kaSoja
igame kodibone njani
igame ngibone kuhle namhlanje angibanga ngedwa ngizikathatha unkosikazi wami oyisidudla nawo
salibingelela
mana nkosikazi
singabe Highlander nkosikazi hayibo sithi
Highlander
unkosikazi wakhe
uzekwana
basibona unkosikazi khizana sibo Mbona unkosi kazi? Mbona unkosi? Ora shabara sizwa baje.
Amahlelanya
Mana yizuphuda sika.
Mzilikazi.
Mana phela sokushabara. My brother.
Hayi mina angilawa amaningi. Into engayikhuluma kuphela ukuthi sesize sawina amhlophe kuphela.
My brother.
Mphuthu wami. Ayabonga ngangikwazi ukuthi kuyalunga kuphela. But uRawush engabosidelela. Siyabonga.
Wenzeni uRawush? My brother.
Mina yabonga Timothy wine ngicela uMarwari ekhiphe abafana abanike ispirit kube mnandi. La next ngeSunday siyawina 3 futhi. Kube mnandi ngicela uMarwari engapheli ispirit lapho boyze. Bekhondinye ngespirit. Owanamhla sikuthandile anisela amanangi Mphuthu.
Nice one Mphuthu.
Thina iwin vele sesijwayele la ngeSunday siyawina into engayitsho iwin sesijwayele.
Ngiyabonga sibili namhla sikwenzile yani igame namhla sibuleli ngiyabonga uMarwari into ayenzile yani kumele ehlale tshintsha igame strategy ungarelaye ngomuntu oyi1 tshintsha ama players abe ngama goal angazi engathola abantu ababanikayo vele siyabulala igame lelandela vele sibulele
uMarwari kahlali uMarwari
khuluma kuhle bekuze uthini mtshana wami
mina ngithi uMarwari kahlali indlela adlale ngayo lena ngesecond half ibe mnandi kakhulu ukubonile usabhula kwakuthi lapha ngayenza so ngiyaphumelela waphumelela ngama goals but ichicken ini bisidlala ubulema lapha udelay ngiyakulela abayenze ifirst half bakhosti badelay kakhulu ngefirst half akudelay ngefirst half dlalana ibhola
nayiswa mtshana wami
well done to Highlanders siyabonga uBenji wadlale kuhle abafana keep up the good work siyajabula
nice one mtshara buya Buddha ngibana izubhuda my brother
kazi hayi siyabonga kakhulu hey isecond half ibimnandi kakhulu hayi ibimnandi kakhulu sifisa ukuthi ngeSunday continue from khonapho kuphela number 1 Highlander
nice one my brother
yebo Highlander siyabonga thina ngiyesilahle noma kunjani ibhoso ngethu okwenzakele ukusijabulisile vini wakusenzakala kwakungumnyama mbe ngamaloyo mbe yini but hayi i-team vele niyadlala yachisa ibhoso
nice one my
Highlander
shap lalingxotsha lithi alifuni ukuthi iHighlanders iwine nayime engikhulumile yesterday ngathi 3-1 uNkulunkulu ayibusise iHighlanders futhi kube yi4-1 kuCaps 3-4-1
uvumelana nayo Rasta
yeah coming here proudly Highlanders supporter linjani khona ngabe emazweni la seZimbabwe siyabonga Marwari started this point sesiqalile baba siqale ngeDerby saqala ngeDerby sesiphinde iDerby siyabonga iwin Highlanders continue starting from there sesiqale phansi khuluma sizibuza uthini
namhla ubona ujabulile sibili
ngijabule kabi Highlanders iwinile I like the indlela ewine ngayo and continue Highlanders winning
ora shaba
thina esikutshoyo ukuthi siyabonga ukuthi
my brother
thina esikutshoyo ukuthi siyabonga ukuthi we have break the case sesiqamulile amafindo woza Caps United sesifuna iCaps United amafindo wonke sesiwaqamulile siyabonga sesifuna iCaps United yangikhona yena leyo ngeSunday
nice one my brother
ngishilo namhlanje ukuthi makuze mina uzobukela ibhoso izowina sesilinde iCaps United ngeSunday sizoyishaya 5-0 futhi la ekhaya bhoso ngenkani
or mana ngikubele kuphela
ibhoso iwinile sayibongela
hayi siyabonga Highlanders let's keep on asilweni bafana iteam ngeyethu ngeSunday futhi sikhonapho siyabonga
hayi siyabonga bafana the team is intact siyabonga bafethu let's keep up mongameli ngiyakubona number 12 angazi ngubani ibizo lakho siyakubona mfethu let's push yeah siyabonga moyo ngubani Shelton moyo awusegamini mfana masiphusheni bakwethu asiphusheni
nice one sister
okay guys siyabonga the way you play today sibonga kakhulu but we are also disappointed ngendlela the way abafana kuthiwa bahlale 2 months bengala pay guys football these days is all about money So nxa abafana bengalamali bengaholi, guys, executive, try and stockings, pull up your stockings. Ngoba ngeke sibe lokuthiwa uBenjani uthe yet you are the ones who are doing the wrong things. Please thina si support iPhoso and asifuni ukuthi kuze sifike ku executive ngendlela engekho right. Let's have ilokuze nini football lokuze nini. Guys lingabo supporter ilokuze nengekho ngoba uBenjani is doing very well, but you guys you are supporting. Thank you.
Nice one, my brother. Putasiam?
Afa Putasi.
Islanders 3 chicken in 1.
I'm happy for that. And I think ngakhuluma futhi last time silapha unkosto from number 2 singekho happy ngama draws lawa ayenzakele lapha. Ngaze ngathi hayi nxa kuyikuthi kulomuntu ofungileyo sicela kanjani asikhulule. So I think okakathesan I think sihappy kakhulu. Then I think ukuye emaphisa lokho kusincedile loba laba basivulela indlela abafana laba emaphisa la. I think ukuhamba kwethu emaphisa vele umprofit lothe sizawuna sivele emaphisa. I think la usebenzile nxa kuthi la kadesi I think zonke si happy. Unkosto from number 2.
Nice one, Kustos.
Unkosto from number 2.
Uvumelana noNkusto?
Mvumelana naye kakhulu. Then oqala mbonga ama supporters ayo Island abuye ngapha kuzo supporta i-team yethu. Then okwesi2 ngithanda ukubonga uAndrew Mpheba. Next time njengabomncicha ama free kick likwazi ukuthi nguye vele umnikazi wama free kick. Lendlu yakhe oqhakathekileyo singakabale kwama free kick dandani. Indlu yakhe angabi kwazi ukuthi isiphumile kumbe ayikaphumi yani, but indlu yakhe that guy he sacrificed for Islanders, but indlu yakhe mnike nini bafowethu uyadeserve. Libonile 3 wonke amalokhuze nini amakhozi ethu they were assist from uAndrew Mpheba. So amalokhuze nini indlu yakhe mnike nini amakhozi ethu avela kubani kuMpheba. Then he sacrificed for the team. Then I team namhla idlale kuhle, and thank you for Benji guys for the supporters, and let us not support for let us support uBenji. Singam discouraging sithi hayi no Benji samfuni and stuff, and uBenji let us be patient lie.
Nice one. Mana yizu Vetis. Nice one, my brother.
Sabonga my king.
Nice one. Vetis,
my Buddha.
Umnandi Brom.
Incredible Tobi.
Islanders 3 chicken in 1.
Yakwazi ukuthi into esasivele silindile le out yami yakwazi. Singachona sisola ama year and days. Uyazi ukuthi khona ukuya kwabo khona ngale ade behambe khona esidliwe khona 1-0 bekusiyakhulula emaphisa ukubotshwa kwakhona lokho akade kubotshiwe burwami. Uyazi ukuthi khona vele besingakwazi lokuthi khona i-team yethu ibotshwe kuyini, kanti ibotshwe ukuthi singaye emaphisa kuyekhululeka sibuye ngapha sizokhululeka futhi. Uyabona wonke umuntu is over excited ngoba ungathi uyakhangela Kharesi akula muntu ujayela ukuthi ma upresenter lapha kube labantu abaningi. Uyabona ukuthi abantu bonke ba over excited, bonke abantu sebehambile. Kumnandi burwami yakwazi ukuthi so this is very nice. Ingihamba lo mfana nami la.
Mfana ka Vetis la u happy.
Ngihappy.
Ngifuna ukumbuza ukuthi abantu
uthini mfana ngewini le?
Hayi team idlalile ayidlalile.
Ubone bani okuchazileyo?
Hayi uMbeba ngichazile.
uMbeba.
Lo mongameli.
Nice one mafana.
Nice.
Sharp.
Right.
Ngiyabuya wePutas.
2 minutes.
Mana ngizwe lo ketchinga.
2 minutes.
Chocho.
How far my guy?
UsiPutas yapha.
Mina ngicela ukuthi ngithi so. Islanders idlale kuhle siyabonga. But mina into enzayikhuluma namhla ukuthi imali kaBenji mnandi kudlula kaChivayo.
Ngiyabala izumthala thala ebilekeleni wabla. Mthala?
Into engibongayo yathi ngibonga umongameli welizwe uhambe emaphisa sabuya sawina. Umuntu olenhlanhla lezulu lala.
Putas yami
uhamba kanjani?
Mnandi Islanders 3 chicken in 1.
Ya kusharp kakhulu. Mina ngithanda ukubonga uBenji. Kusharp lokho umsebenzi yabukeka. At least antu yakwazi ukuthi nifowethu abadala laba bake ba relax bebona ukuthi uBenji project yakhe yasebenza le. You understand for it? Because we are against actually we are against into zonke as against a team. Oh, actually upenji no upenji I project le sharp le. Happy mi project ni happy kakhulu khangela ukuthi mawufuna ukubona for it bazamile bonke abachuna khangelani igoli ka Prince lana ukuthi yenzene amafana kushapu lokho bafo kuyabukeka asibonge nini ubenji anti sibonge nini ubenji cala lemsupport come on
nice one
bafo kushapu
nice one my brother
yes my brother
nice one my brother
hayi ngokukhuluma namda ayabona ibhozo namdani
siyazeka
angila mazwi yazi I'm happy I'm so kunini ngacina ba happy kanje ngizakho yabona ibhoza mayihlali kanje nomhlazi uthi ngane ngumntwana lona wacina iswitch owesuke enkayo ngakulazi ithi khona ophisi ithi namhlazi oyehappy
very happy
yazi le mic lesengayidla mina ngihappy le mic lesengayidla ngendlela engihappy ngakhona
mana phela mntaka baba
mama wena
happy program mana phela
ngendlela engihappy ngakhona I mic lesengayigwinya leyo mina
nice one my sister hey mani bafana baba
put us mina for Highlanders what I can tell you I team yethu it's good ucoach silaye but inkinga esilayo iexecutive ayinika abafana imali simple inganika abafana imali akhonto isibona izinto kubo mathi compare team khulu ukuthi ngamona sekhuluma lwana obvious umonke usmola we are now losing usmola so we don't want to lose usmola in that situation eyenzakala kuchiweta at the end of the day ukuthi ideal iHighlander ukuthi uyabithengisa umfana imali nasikwazi exactly this is what we lose a player we are seeing into esifunayo thina njengaka race our first win I'm happy we are happy but our executive ayinika abafana imali
nice one my brother
sajabule mntaka baba
happy family mana bela
happy family yalo bantu abami njani right sambelo Benjamin Maruwaru singamzondi was a good player in England so kucoaching and singambhekeli phansi ne so into ekhona into ebesicela kuya nti ukuthi khona nti ebetshintsha i-team selection bemnikeza imali ebhaya ama players andlani i-talent lisabuya liyakwazi
nice one my brother
one kuphela
mana ngikase ngalo sembeya ku ngicala mana umvulele nza kuningi my brother sharp
sharp stand kuphela nje into engichaza ukuthi siwinile iwini yethu isiwine kulabantu abangekho la ukuthi ngakho sikumnandi kakhulu kodwa engikuthabelayo ukuthi uBenji ubone ukuthi imela yenzini the substitute yakhe ukuthi was the best usabhula kwakhe kodwa next time ngesande ku-Caps umuntu lo awuthole imalayo kaphindezele futhi
all right for uBenji siyambongela uBenji is a good coach and he was a good player yabo so siyambongela yonke into asenzela yona then into esicela i1 kuBenji uBenji is good for us sonke but kulomuntu owani obamba umuthi weteam kakhulula umuthi siwin this is our first win we happy for our first win but Benji dinga umuntu obamba umuthi i-team yadlala yadisha but asla scoring yabo but Benji
umuthi katshele abadala iqiniso uBenji
nice one my brother mana izikura jawena ngokugcina lo uthubo lokuvala ikamera
Highlanders 3 chicken in 1
nice one my brother
what a game i-potential ikhona silahliswa i-executive le-board hayi ingaphi imali yabafana abafana badlalela ibhora endlaleni but you could see ama-touches of brilliance ukuthi uBenji layo ungathi uyathembisa eqalisa of course sasi-skeptical abanye bethu sasibona ukuthi but of late 8 games zona lesi esiyibonile so far hayi seems like ucoach uyathembisa executive le-board hayi yasilahlisa kakhulu sicela ipha abafana imali yabo because abafana abana badlala ibhola abasendlaleni kuzaba affecta kakhulu in terms of performance, but overall nje mbona ngani today amabhokobhora sebuyile sebusokuvulekile. Come Sunday, Caps United asizayibhera alive Caps United.
Nice one my brother. Uchafu uita namu. Mana izuma sweet. Mana izumjala 2 seconds.
Ya iposi yadlala otherwise hayi angikwazi ukuhamba nje. But otherwise mina ngu choice nyona.
Nice one choice.
Yes. But iyadlala hayi akule mimoya otherwise hayi angikwazi ukuhamba nje. But God bless.
Siyabonga choice. Siyabonga choice. Nice one Mjala. Simasuthu namhlanje uthi ufuna ukuhita.
Namhlanje ufuna ukuhita nje. Hayi chicken iyadleka nje. Akula team edleka nje chicken imnandi nje. One nje introduction sicela umbheba back to captain nje. Sicela umbheba one back to captain. Two angazi imali yabo Chivayo iyenza singaphumeleli. Kodwa kaBhenji hayi imali abafana badla imali kaBhenji bawina. Engachivayo lokho bayidlaya kulalulutho. So continue ngemali kaChivayo. Continue imali kaChivayo nje.
Nice one Sutman. It finished here at Papa Field Stadium. Highlanders 3, Chicken Inn 1. You've heard from the joyful fans. They were so much happy. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and engage us. This episode was proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our #1 sponsor. Please remember to bet responsibly. Thank you so much for watching.
Pass and move, pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze. Pass and move, pass and move.